St. Louis Art Museum. Sunken Cities, Egypt's Lost Worlds.
In 2018, the St. Louis Art Museum will be the first North American art museum to tell the epic story of one of the greatest finds in the history of underwater archaeology, a story that revealed two lost cities of ancient Egypt submerged under the Mediterranean Sea for over 1,000 years. World-renowned underwater archaeologist Frank Gaudio and his team discovered these submerged worlds and uncovered stunning ancient religious, ceremonial, and commercial artifacts, which has led to a greater understanding of life during the Age of Pharaohs. More than 200 of these authentic artifacts, including 3 colossal 16-foot sculptures of a pharaoh, a queen, and a god, will be on view. Objects range from the colossal sculptures to precious gold coins and jewelry, bronze vessels, objects inscribed in the ancient Egyptian or Greek languages, and statues from the sunken and forgotten ancient cities of Thanis, Heracleion and Canopus. They will be seen alongside ancient Egyptian artifacts from museums in Cairo and Alexandria, many of which have never been on view in the United States.
Before the founding of Alexandria in 331 BC, Thanis Heracleion, the Egyptian and Greek names of the city, was the primary port of entry to Egypt for all ships coming from the Greek world. It was also an important religious center. The nearby city of Canopus, often mentioned by classical authors and religious leaders, was famous for its temples, and was believed to be sites of miraculous healing. However, prior to their discovery in 2000, no trace of either city had been found. Many wondered, were these cities real or merely myth? Frank Gaudio's discovery revealed that the cities were indeed real, and had lay at the mouth of the Nile, 30 feet below the surface of the Mediterranean Sea, for more than 1,200 years. Their submersion was completed in the 8th century, possibly by an earthquake, or other upheavals, some associated with tidal waves. This, combined with the unstable sediment on which the cities were built, ultimately led to their demise.